Hello, small figure collectors. So this video is because I've been building these Meng tanks. And these are my U.S. Meng tanks: the Chaffee, the Wolverine, the Sherman, and the Stewart. So these are Toy Story figures. This one's from Bandai. I think that might be as well. Can't tell. These are some generic knockoff Lego tank commanders, and this is something called MOC or Yuan Li. They're like action figures I bought off AliExpress. But anyways, I was perusing a used toy store and I saw one of these figures in the glass display cabinet, and then I did a little search and realized there's a set of these things. So I had to hop on eBay, and I overpaid as usual from eBay, but it was still the cheapest price I could find. So these are called Fat Cute Soldiers, I guess. And I got the whole set of all 6 types. Let's see what's going on here. Hold on. It says 2. Maybe there's 2 waves of them. So we got Chips Monster. Okay. It's got a flag. We'll see. Combat Pig, Battle Meat, Candy Upham, Popcorn Jr., and Delicious Tank. It says Panda's Anna. So that's probably the brand, I assume. I've never heard of such a brand. And these are made of PVC, so hopefully they're flexible and won't break. But we'll find out. Oh, yeah. So maybe these are capsule toys, and the person, took them out of the capsules, or they're probably blind box or something. They're very small. Very fitting for my channel. I don't know if they're all opened or sealed. Yeah, I guess they're all open bags. I guess they're... Alright. Oh, wait, there's a piece in here. Boy. Let's see. I mean, this guy here is around 45 millimeters. Alright, 1 3/4 of an inch. So they're under 2 inches. Alright, starting with this tank person. It's really a fat guy driving a Sherman tank. It's a very basic Sherman tank. It does have Panda's Anna molded into the bottom. Oh, it says T-Arts. That's Takara, I believe. Takara Arts. Yeah, I could be wrong, but I've seen that before with like some plastic cars in 1/64 scale. The tank treads look pretty good. No complaints there. This carriage is obviously very plain. It's interesting. The tank itself is fat. It's like all bloated and gelatinous like the driver. And this guy is actually eating as he's commanding this tank. Does his turret turn? No, it does not. It looks like it might be a separate piece, yeah. But I think it's glued in place. Oh, yeah, this is the 3rd piece as well. So, alright. Well, there's some vent details in the back. Maybe those are lights, I forget. No, I think those are the lights. Well, it's okay. The turret doesn't go up or down, though, either. I mean, the actual cannon. Would you call that a cannon? Gun? I guess the gun. Alright, well, let's see this guy. I think this is the guy that raises the flag. So you got to peg this in here. And there's an L shape to it, so it's pretty idiot-proof. And it's pretty seamless as far as blending that in there. And now you can see the flag is flexible because it's PVC. So this is great. You don't have to fear that breaking off. I wish like Gundam Converge would have PVC on all their parts, but the antennae are rigid. Alright, so this guy is waving on something. He's hiding a bag of chips or something. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and that works pretty well, I think, with these tanks. Alright, so that's good. Popcorn Jr., was it? Yeah, so I think the base is a bit warped. You can dip this in hot water, and it should correct itself. Yeah, so... It looks like you're saying, no! Like it exploded, maybe? The popcorn exploded like a grenade? I'm assuming what they're thinking with this. Alright, interesting. Put that on over there. This guy is dodging a grenade or an explosion, and again, the M16 here, you can put that in hot water, and this guy's chewing on a piece of pizza. He's got some ammo pouches sticking out, a holster, and the butt is showing a little bit. I guess if you're so inclined, you could paint these things. I don't know if I'm so inclined to do so. All right, let's see. This guy is running and like rescuing all the food. That's really funny. So a little holster. She's got a whole bunch of food in a backpack full of like bread and a giant meat on the bone and maybe a chocolate bar or something. And he's just looting, basically looting food. That's awesome. The medic has got a medic symbol on the helmet. I didn't see anything on the other ones. Alright. This last one, you're going to have to add 2 arms. So we have a dude with a hot dog sticking out of his mouth. The pouches. Yeah, bandoliers of ammo. And so that's this side here. Nice fit. The M16 again is a bit warped. Same with this one. But I think I'm going to go and dip these in hot water and come back. Yeah, so this is kind of like a John Rambo with a hot dog. And if Rambo was really fat. No butt crack showing though. So let me come back here. So if you really like your tooned stuff, and if you watch my channel playlists, you can see that I do. I think these are a great thing to have. I think they fit in, that maybe not that tank, but the other characters, I think they fit in really well with these Meng tooned tanks. So, yeah, I might have to look into seeing if there's a first series with more figures. They're a little pricey. eBay, it's just the way it goes. Alright, well, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next cartoon-related figure review. Bye.